Hi guys, Steph here. Right, what have we got for you today? As you can see, it comes in this lovely grey outer box. Nice and simple. We've got for you a Parker fountain pen. So let's take it out of the sleeve. There's the pen. Let's pop the pen to one side. Inside the box, if we lift the bottom section here, you can see it's got the instruction manual or leaflet. It comes with a spare Parker cartridge there. So let's pop that over like so. Let's pop the box to one side and let's concentrate on this gorgeous pen. Look at that, absolutely gorgeous colour. What we've got, as it says on the box, it's a Parker. We've got a Parker Sonnet fountain pen. This model is the Laque Deep Blue GT. As you can see, this lovely blue and these sort of black stripes or marbling to it. Absolutely beautiful colour. As it said, it's the GT, so it's the gold trim. You can see it's got this small sort of cap band to the bottom of the cap. You can see the feather arrow clip there, very typical of Parker. In lovely condition. To the very top we've got this black jewel in beautiful condition. As I say, it's the Laque Deep Blue GT. It's made in France. In fact, let's show you, there's no barrel imprint on these pens. The imprint on these pens you'll find on the cap. And there's the imprint for you, and it reads Parker Sonnet France. And then I do get actually questions from people saying to me, well, what are these numbers to the side of it, the 11N? Well, nice and simply, that's the date number and the date letter. So the 11N tells me that this pen was made in the second quarter of 1999. So this particular model, I believe, was around from 1998 through to 2002, but this specific one, as it says by the model number on the cap, is 1999. Absolutely gorgeous. The size of the pen from the top of the cap to the bottom of the barrel, 133mm capped. Around the diameter of the barrel, it's a lovely 11mm in diameter. As far as I'm aware, this particular pen, as you'll see in a moment, has never been inked. It comes with a Parker box. As you can see, it comes with the instructions, a spare cartridge. If we take off the cap, which is a friction fit like so, let's give you a couple of twirls. An absolutely gorgeous pen. You people will, well, you'll know that I'm more of a vintage fountain pen. Although this is more modern, I think it's still worthy of a review because a beautiful, beautiful pen in a gorgeous colour. Okay, so there's the twirls. A lovely pen to hold. These are generally made out of, I believe, brass with this lacquer applied to it and the colour. Very nice and comfortable to hold. Let's show you the section. You can see just to the bottom of the section we've got this gold band, quite a plain, quite a long section, as you can see there. Let's show you the nib. The nib on this is a gold plated nib, and it just simply reads Parker, and it has this sort of nice design to the top of the nib there, as you can see. Let's show you a sideways view, and then underneath there we've got the very recognisable and yeah, sort of quite a modern Parker feed. And then if we just give it to a simple angle like so, hopefully you can see to the sort of the centre of the nib there, it's got the letter M, which is telling us that this is a lovely medium nib. if we unscrew the section for you, as I said, it comes with a cartridge, but the pen itself is fitted with a Parker converter, as you can see there. So what we do, we simply turn this section here, and you can see there the piston inside moves freely up and down to fill the pen. As I say, I believe the pen has never been inked. I've looked inside with my loupe, everything is lovely and clean. So I'm not going to fill the pen, because what we're going to do, we're going to be looking for a new home for it. There's a lot of people out there that collect these Parker Sonnets. They come in lots of different colours, different patterns, great pens to collect. So I'm sure somebody would be happy with this one in their collection. So unfortunately, I'm not going to ink it. In fact, I'm not even actually going to dip the pen, because as I said, as far as I'm concerned, it's never been inked. So I will leave that to the new owner, whether they decide to sort of display the pen or actually use the pen. It will be up to the new owners. But just a brief review, just to show you this gorgeous colour. A lovely pen in like new. Well, yes, as far as I'm concerned, as I say, it's never been inked, so as good as new. So let's try and find a lovely home for this pen. I hope you've enjoyed looking at the pen as much as I enjoy showing them to you people. Leave a comment below, don't be shy. Don't forget to subscribe as well. And if you possibly can, down below, please support my work. But for now, I'll just say bye bye for now.